Dear, welcome back to math session. Today, here we are going to solve examples on direct proportion. Now, let us solve the examples from the practice set 37. The first example, if 7 kg onions cost 140 rupees, how much must we pay for 12 kg onions? Now, here the relationship is given between the onion and the cost. Okay, so the number of onions and their cost is given. Okay, what is the first condition? That is 7 kg onion cost 140 rupees. So for 7 kg onion cost is 140 rupees, and we ask if we want to purchase a 12 kg onion, then what will be the cost? Okay, now we know that now these quantities are varies in direct proportion. Okay, because if the 7 kg onion require 140 rupees, okay, then the onions are increases in quantity because now we have to purchase 12 kg, so definitely cost will increase. Okay, means the quantity of onion in kg is increases. Okay, then cost will also increases. So how we can write? Now here we can write the quantity of onion divided by cost required for that is a 140 rupees. Okay, then we ask, now onion we have to purchase 12 kg, then what will be the cost? For that purpose we consider the cost for the 12 kg onion will be x rupees. Okay, so here we want to find out the value of x. So we take x on left side, that is here the x is divide, whenever it goes to the left side it become multiply. Okay, then 12 as it is, so 140 here it is divide, it will be multiply. Okay, and the 7 will be shifted towards the denominator. Okay, now do the calculation. 7 1s 7, 7 2s 40, so it becomes 20, and x is equal to 12 0s 0, 12 2s 24. Okay, so what will be the cost? Now x is equal to 240 rupees. So this is example number 1 from the practice set 37. Okay, so for 12 kg onion the cost will be 240 rupees. Okay, now let us solve the second example. Now what will be the second example? If 600 rupees buy 15 bunches of feed, then how many will 1280 rupees buy? Okay, now in second example relationship is given between the bunches of feed and the cost to purchase bunches of feed. Okay, so first what is given? 600 rupees 15 bunches of feed, 600 rupees. Okay, we get the what? 15 bunches of feed. Okay, now the rupees will be what? 1280 rupees. Okay, then what will be the bunches of feed? Let us consider x as a bunches of feed, that will get in 1280 rupees. Okay, now how to solve again? Again, if you observe, they are in direct proportion, that is bunches of feed and cost required for the bunches of feed. So again we can write here bunches divided by the cost required for them, it is 600, and in second case the bunches that we have to find, that is considered as x. Okay, and the rupees required for that, it is what? 1280. So how to find out the x? Now 15, this 1280 multiply divided by 600 is equal to x. Okay, again we know that 0 0 becomes cancelled, 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. Okay, again 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and 4 twos are 8. So what will be the value of x? That is x is equal to 32. So in 1280 rupees we get the what? 32 bunches of feet. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to solve the examples on direct proportion. Okay, thank you.